prison authorities also to be present and the Deputy Commissioner of Police. Yes. There's a reason to summon, otherwise I am the last person to summon officers. A body warrant is pending. NBW is issued. In the same crime, he is in prison. The police indicate, the statement is, he is not found. When he is in a crime in the same prison, how did the policeman say or give a statement saying that he is not found to execute? First of all, issuing a NBW on a body warrant is incorrect. Now after that, added to that is this. How can such things be countenanced?
What is more thing?
Who is the man who gave that statement? Which police inspector?
What has happened, Manoj, in the records, what they pointed out, Manoj, they showed it, actually he was on bail, Manoj. Actually, he was not in bail, actually, because of not giving of.
He was in prison.
Again.
Prison in a crime registered by the very same police station. And very same police station says he is not found.
They're saying that there's a mistake.
Table al kutkondo, not going anywhere, say writing that NBW cannot be executed because he is not found. Why should not a departmental inquiry be initiated against such people?
Well, I discussed with them.
Who is the person who gave that statement? Yes, madam. Who is the officer? Then a statement yaar kotrade?
Someone constable by name.
It's constable.
Whoever. Inquiry should be initiated against. Without verification or without. He is there in prison and he says not found.
No, what the worst is, Manoj, he's in prison for 3 years because he has not got surety. That's what. Imagine that.
And Supreme Court says surety should not be a problem for release on bail.
Said, if you see, I mean, these are.
But what is happening?
Manoj, we'll look into it and take
Put your house in order. What is all this? This is highly incorrect. And where are the prison authorities? Yes, madam. 3 years you have not put him on, even on video conferencing. Why? 22 in the 20. ಈಗ ಕೇಸು 8-10 ಸರ್ತಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ 20 ಸರಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. He is in prison for the last 4 years without him being produced before the concerned court, even through video conferencing. What sort of callousness is this?
22 and 25 intimation receive agilla sir.
ಏನ್ intimation ಬರ್ಬೇಕು madam ನಿಮಗೆ?
Production intimation sir. To produce him before honorable.
Trial is not on. Is the trial on or not? What do you do with the accused when the trial is on? You want intimation every time, or the accused should be present every time when the date of the trial is on? 20 dates it has come. Not once you have brought him outside. What is all this happening?
In fact, Manoj, what I spoke, they'll take inventory of all these things.
No, all these things should be set right.
In fact, they're looking into it, Manoj. In fact, they said they look into it and furnish a report on the whole thing, Manoj.
See, 5 years for his production, if the trial has not commenced or concluded, who is responsible? Tell me. 5 ವರ್ಷ trial ಮುಗಿದೋಗಿದ್ರೆ?
So that's what I
He would have been out or inside. Whatever his fate would have known. He would have known his fate.
Sir, PLB's number na ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ sir. Paralegal volunteers. Plus ಈಗ each barrack ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ more than 6 months ಯಾರು produce ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು list out ಮಾಡಿ consent.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ madam?
Continuously will do that.
Then this is not correct. How long do you hold these prisoners inside without trial?
Yes.
Without producing them before the court? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 6 months ಅದು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು what steps you have taken to place everything before the court?
Yes sir.
kindly grant 2 weeks time.
No, I will grant 2 weeks time, but put your house in order.
We'll do that.
Yes,
House alla, prison in order. Yes.
They made that house.
Our house, yes. But everything should be in order, madam. This is not correct. How long do you hold this? And when is the next date for trial?
It's been produced yesterday. Yesterday it's been produced.
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ.
Some order ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ.
Demand case.
Alla, this court should pass an order for you to produce it. What sort of? This is highly incorrect. You should set everything right. Prison adren elladrenu the accused are also human beings. They may be accused unless convicted. Trial nadibekalva.
So kindly grant 2 weeks, Manoj. We'll just give the details of the whole thing.
Everything, what steps you have taken for correction in the prison of production of under trial prisoners before the court at intermittent intervals when the court the matter is listed, all that information you should give.
Yes.
And wherever they have not been produced, take stock of that and see to
Produce
that
them.
they are produced and trial goes on.
Yes.
Allenilla, what the court would do for appearance, 20 adjournments for appearance. Why you don't bring them? Judicial time of the courts are wasted. Yes, file ಕೊಡಿ madam. ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದು?
Serial number
60.
This court
66. ಅಲ್ವಾ?
again on 2026, on 20th February 2026 had passed the following order. The first score is set, the first score was with regard to issuance of non-execution of an NBW issued by the concerned court. The non-bailable warrant was sought to be executed by a police constable attached to the HAL police station. The accused is in police custody, but the the accused is in judicial custody, but the statement rendered by the said constable who was entrusted with the duty of execution of the NBW is that the accused is not found while he was in prison. Therefore, the police constable has sat in the chamber and drawn the statement that he has sought to execute the NBW. The learned, who is that? The Deputy Commissioner of Police?
Commissioner Whitefield.
Deputy Commissioner
The Deputy
Whitefield.
Commissioner of Police, Whitefield Zone was directed to be present. The learned Advocate General submits on instructions that he would, that a departmental inquiry against the constable, head constable who had rendered a statement sitting in the chambers that he had sought to execute the NBW and the accused was not found while he was in the prison. It would be initiated and the action taken would be placed before the court. The second issue that brought the Director General of Police prisons to this court is that the
DIG, madam.
DIG presents to this court is that non-production of the accused before the concerned court for the last 4 years. The learned counsel for the petitioner had, by taking this court through the documents appended to the petition, submitted that for the last 4 years, not even once the accused was brought before the court through video conferencing even. And on that score, multiple adjournments are granted for appearance by the concerned court. The DIG presents undertakes before this court that appropriate steps would be taken to identify all those persons who have not been produced before the court in the next 2 weeks and place a report before the court, before this court as to what steps they have taken to identify and not repeat the same anomaly in not bringing the prisoners before the court and the courts adjourning the matter for appearance. They list this matter, will take it on 6th March. By then you produce.
We'll do that.
The presence of the DIG presence and Madam Barkumbudi
Whitefield,
is noted.
DCP
Whitefield and DIG presence is noted. List the matter on 6th March. The report of action taken in both the instances noted herein above shall be placed before the court on the next date. Yes.
Great.
Your Lordship.
First matter.
Meanwhile, my lordship may order to be released the accused.
Release the accused. Why?
Because already an order, a bail order is granted, but he could not able to
Surety.
furnish sureties.
That is separate. We will deal with that. Wait. Yes. Adana, list that matter on Tuesday in fresh matters. We'll grant that order on Tuesday. Right.
We can be now directed to give a release on maybe cash surety or a personal bond.
ಏನು ಶೂರಿಟಿನೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
No, he is a very poor man. ಏನು surety ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
10 kg.
Surety should not be insisted.
That's correct, madam.
What is this?
That's correct. But
Monday fresh matters ಹಾಕಿರಿ. We'll release it on Monday. Yes. ಎರಡು. Yes.
So in the first matter, I think there was a communication between our office, so therefore, it is not that.
Home Secretary. Anyway, yes. We would not summon Home Secretary,
not
sir,
that.
unless it was needed.
Yes.
But this, madam, the prison should be set in order.
Yes.